So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to export high resolution image in Figma. So guys, if you want to export high resolution image in the Figma, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, basically the image is totally depend on how you create, okay, and how it was it created. Then you click and choose your image, and if you have a multiple image, so guys, when you click the option of plus, so you use the shift icon to select the multiple images. Now here you see the export, and here I think it is for zoom. Okay, hit enter for increase its pixels and width. And guys, here you see there is a PNG. So PNG basically search for the type of file in PDF, SVG, JPG and PNG. After clicking here, and here if you get more detailing, image detail, then you go for basic and detailed, and color, choose your color as the sRPG, small, same as file, and for changed for high qualities. Okay, then click the option of export image here, and it start exporting, and wait few seconds, 4 to 5 seconds, it shows the download icon, and you just go here and you download. Now here you see my image is around 1 MB. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.